You know what's funny? I spent months planning this cruise, picking the cabin, watching videos about the ship, talking about everything Noah and I wanted to do once we got on board. I barely gave San Juan a second thought. Turns out, yeah, I should have. Cruise smarter, not harder. The thing our very first cruise taught us, get there early, seriously. Ever since then, we've made it a point of flying in a couple of days before every cruise. Part of that's because airlines don't always cooperate. But the bigger reason? You miss so much when you land, head straight to the port, and never experience the city you're sailing from. San Juan turned out to be the reason exactly why we do that. This is El Morro. If you've seen the pictures, they're good. Standing there, it's better. You don't need somebody reading a plaque to know you're standing somewhere important. The funny thing is, I caught myself watching Noah more than I was watching the fort. Not because he was doing anything special. He was just enjoying it. Looking around, taking pictures, climbing all over the place, seeing it for himself. I enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed visiting El Morro. And then there were the iguanas. They're everywhere. At first, you're taking pictures every time you see one. And by the end of the day, you're just kind of nodding at them as you walk by. When you fly in the morning of your cruise, grab an Uber, get to the port, and leave, you miss the city. You miss the people and the food. You miss everything that makes a place worth visiting. There's something about being a dad that's hard to explain. You spend years trying to teach your son everything you know, not because you want him to be just like you, because you hope one day he'll be better than you ever were. Then you realize he is. From there, we wandered into the city. No plan, just walking. Every time we thought we knew where we were going, something else caught our attention. A shop, a side street, a chapel, a restaurant. By the end of the day, we had walked farther than either of us expected. And neither of us cared. The whole city was getting ready for SanSe while we were there. Stages going up, signs were everywhere. You could tell something big was coming. We missed it by a few days. After seeing everything come together, I'd actually love to go back and experience SanSe. We tried food we've never had before, including one sandwich that I still couldn't tell you the name of. I just remember pulled pork, a hot dog, French fries, and whatever else they decided belonged on it. It looked ridiculous, but I'd order another one tomorrow. Somewhere between El Morro, the streets, watching Noah experience it all, and knowing a grand princess was waiting for us the next morning, well, I guess that's why we keep getting here early. If our channel helps you cruise smarter, spend less, and have a lot more fun, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to know what makes cruising so special to you. We made our way into the nightlife district, and it felt like we had wandered into a completely different city. The history was still there, and the old buildings too. But now the music had taken over. Everywhere we looked, there was another little bar. People out in the streets, laughing, dancing, talking like they had known each other forever. There was just something about that energy. It was impossible not to get caught up in it. So we did. We grabbed some drinks, we walked from place to place, laughed more than I can remember. I spent most of the night watching Noah. Not in a weird dad kind of way, just watching himself enjoy. Talking to people, laughing, dancing. Yeah, he even met a girl. I didn't see that one coming. That was one of those moments you really don't think much about until it's happening. You just smile, take another sip of your drink, and let them have their moment. I think that's part of getting older too. I quit trying to direct every chapter, and I just got to watch the story unfold. Before I knew it, the night was over. Tomorrow, we'd finally step aboard Grand Princess, the cruise I'd spent months planning. But standing there in San Juan that night, I realized the cruise hadn't started this trip. It was just part of the next chapter. And if the rest of the week was anywhere near as good as this last couple of days, it was going to be a hell of a cruise.